What's up, guys? If you haven't seen yesterday's video, you should watch that first. Yesterday I uploaded the Xbox Destruction BTS, and today's the Camcorder Destruction. So here it is. Peace out. You gotta turn off your crap. Copyrighted music though.
I thought it's time lapse.
Not the whole thing. Alright, so you throw it first. There'll still be music to it, but there'll also be sound.
Oh, I was like,
Alright, hurry up.
I think I have some
Alright.
low key, where is it? Don't turn it off yet. I have some uncopyrighted that. It's Trap Nation.
Well, don't blast it. Just like play it really lightly so the mic can't pick it up.
Yeah, I know.
Alright. I'm not gonna slam it. Let's get it out of here. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, here it is. Alright, let's get the 60 FPS cam. The funny thing is we're filming it with the same camcorder. I'll put my phone on mute so no one can interrupt us. We could probably set this up over here.
Where are you gonna throw it?
Right over here.
Like right here?
Yeah, this will be good.
Should it be your airstrip?
Alright, ready?
Alright, hold on. You got it set up?
Stand over here. Is it filming? The mic
Yeah.
on?
Where are you gonna throw it at directly so I have a place to
Right
on.
here.
Yeah, the mic's on.
Alright.
Where are we going? Direct there, right there?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Alright, hold on, actually. That's how you know it's getting serious.
When you take your jacket off and have a sweatshirt underneath. Oh, dang! Alright, second shot
I
coming.
broke off the thing that says Ordro HD VZ20. And it broke open the screen a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna do one more.
Oh man, what? I thought I was gonna throw it. You're trash.
Put the Ordro. Alright, we'll let you
I'm
throw it
throwing
after.
next.
Alright, here it is.
Alright, wait.
The HD VZ20.
So you're just throwing it as high as possible, is that your goal?
Pretty much, kinda. It's already broken as crap.
It's about to shatter in a ton of pieces.
Don't throw it hard, just throw it high.
Alright.
The screen is already shattered.
Second throw, boy.
Alright.
Oh crap, look. So here's where this is connected.
Yeah.
Alright, next time I bet it's gonna fall off.
Oh shoot. That was a big one.
Right, shoot.
I think you were blocking the 60 FPS cam though. Screw it.
You gotta do it right in front of the 60 FPS. Ready? Come on, back up.
Shatter that to pieces.
That's gonna be a cool slow-mo.
He hit the phone. Nice.
Oh, dang.
That is shattered as crap.
Ow.
Let me see.
What the heck is that?
What's
It's like a brick in there.
Really?
Try to get that out.
That's probably just to take up space. There's the image tape thing. Alright, I'm going really hard this time.
Try to hit your camera.
Ready?
Go.
Going really hard.
Ouch! Boy,
There's the lens.
I found a stone.
Bro. That is sick.
There's still weight in here. Why?
That is sick. Maybe to make it heavier, I don't know.
Now we gotta try to break the stone, bro.
Alright. You wanna throw a weight on it? Wait, don't throw it away.
No, I'm gonna break this.
Don't throw the other stuff away though.
There it is.
I want the screen at least, and some of the body. The internal part, we can throw away some of it.
Right in front of the camera. Oh! That was so close to my face.
I think it actually broke a little bit. I saw like a spark.
No, it didn't. What is this? Alright, shortly.
There you go. On the part where you threw it really hard, it didn't break, but on the part after it did, there's like a little piece of foam. You can see like dust coming up. That's pretty cool.
I got a pound on this one. Chalk. Alright, ready? Imagine if that would if it just dies in tragic accident. Alright, there we go. With the motherboard too.
There's the motherboard. That's really cool. There's part of the lens. That's the light. There's the wires for the light. And they attach the little thing with the button.
You want both these parts?
Yeah, let's just throw it all in the bag. I already have a bag full of all the pieces to the Retron.
Piece of phone that was connected.
Yeah. Get the bag. There's all the buttons. That's actually really cool. What I'll do with this, we'll keep in the little montage, but this stuff we'll call it.
Just use my hat. I forgot I didn't bring another one.
You forgot a bag?
Yeah.
Let's just put it in with the. Let's take the Xbox out of that.
No, because I'm just going to soak up the entire duffel bag because there's a ton of snow in it. You can use the hat. I don't care. I barely ever wear it anymore.
Alright. I'll bring it back to you on Monday then, I guess.
There's bags right there.
Really? Oh yeah.
Dog crap bags.
We'll use a dog crap bag. I didn't even think of that.
Please pick up after your dog. No, it's more like please pick up after your Orjo VZ.
Pick up after your Orjo HTVC 20. Oh, there's some more pieces over there.
There's the outer part of the lens.
Yeah. Get all that in there. I'll get the.
Now you got a dog feces bag.
Yep.
Oh, it looks cool.
Yeah. You just clean up after your Orjo HTVC 20. That's hilarious.
That's great. Alright, here you go.
Alright.
And then we just got an extra bag.
Oh crap, I totally forgot that was there. I don't think I could have asked for a better destruction.
Chill, look.
Okay, I thought that was the one with the camera in it for a sec.
Now we have a ton of free bags to blow up.
Yeah. Let's do a couple more. We don't want to waste all their bags.
It says there's 400 in here.
I'll just throw this with my stuff over here.
Think that's enough?
Yeah, probably.
That's a couple different bags. I'm a ninja.
A dog feces ninja.
No, because technically these are unused bags, so. I'm not using a bag that some dog took the crap in, just so everybody knows.
So you're probably seeing this on a day I have nothing to upload, so then, hi, in the future.
boy. They're from the future. So what does that make us?
From the past.
Yeah, that one was kind of given.
Yeah.
All right, boy. Slow motion. Here. That's actually really loud. Did you get your slow-mo camera?
For what? I think I busted open my finger on something. It's probably There's probably something on the Xbox.
Better not run away back.
Which destruction was better?
What?
Which destruction was better?
The Xbox.
Yeah, probably.
There's a lot more.
A lot more stuff to destroy. You want to keep working on it?
Dude, what? Oh, what?
There you
It
go.
didn't pop. What?
Probably blew out my mic. If you can still hear me, then I don't have to buy a new mic.
You got 2 bags. I got 1.
You know, it'd be cool. What if you like put a firecracker in the Xbox?
With what firecracker?
I don't know. And then just lit it off. We'd have to have a fuse leading out of it.
Yeah.
That would be sick.
Indeed. Yeah, nope, not happening. Them retro hipster dances, not gonna be a thing. There's to a dog bag.
Savage.
I feel like we should hide this in the corner of the door by the porta potty so when someone opens it, it blows up.
Scares them. Yo, you know what I did once when I was like 7? I was scared while it was happening, but after I was like, that was awesome. I started riding my bike. I went down that hill and then kept going and went down the other hill. Do you guys in the future have flying cars yet, even though this will probably come out in like a month? According to Back to the Future, we were supposed to have flying cars 2 years ago.
Nope.
Alright, you just gonna leave it there?
Yep, stop littering if it's not on the ground.
Ah, savage.
Balloon, boy.
Alright. I guess we'll just chill for now then. I gotta text my mom.